We will start with the trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities, first is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You may be wondering, how sin square theta plus cos square theta 1? We will just prove it also. Sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC square, plus cos square theta, cos theta is BC adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC square, according to the ratios. So this will become AB square upon AC square. You can take out AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now according to the Pythagoras, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AC square upon AC square, that is 1. So your first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now you can transpose it and you will get the next two, that is cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, just transposing it. Now the next identity, if I divide sin square theta, cos square theta plus cos square theta by cos square theta, sin square theta upon cos square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta is equal to 1 upon cos square theta. I am dividing the first identity by cos square theta. So this will become tan square theta plus cancels 1 is equal to sec square theta. So this is the identity, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. You can transpose it. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So this is your second identity. Now the same identity, if I am dividing by sin square theta, sin square theta upon sin square theta plus cos square theta upon sin square theta is equal to 1 upon sin square theta. So divided by sin square theta cancels, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So this is your third important identity. 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. You can transpose it. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, and cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. So these are the first we got from sin square theta by transposing these two identity. Then the dividing by cos square theta, we got this 3 identity, and then dividing by sin square theta, you got this 3 identity. Now these identities are only applicable when the ratios are in the square form. You cannot apply for cos theta, sin theta, no. You can only apply these identities when they are in the square form. Now based on this, few examples we will see. 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. Now you easily identify that 1 plus tan square theta, you can write down sec square theta. Sec square theta. Now 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Now here you have algebraic identity, a minus b, a plus b. So it will become 1 minus sin square theta. Sec square theta into, that will become 1 minus sin square theta. Now again in square form, so you can easily apply this identity. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So sec square theta into cos square theta. Now sec square theta in the simple form can be written as reciprocal of cos. Cos square theta into cos square theta cancels and that is 1. That is your RHS. So in this way we are applying algebraic identity as well as the trigonometric identity. Now the next example is tan theta plus sin theta, tan theta. See now, here also it is not in square form, so you cannot apply the identity. First you will change it into the simple ratio. Tan theta, I am taking the LHS part first. So tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta upon again tan theta sin theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Now what is common here? Sin theta common. So in both I will take out sin theta common. Sin theta is common. So it will be 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta plus 1. In the denominator also sin theta common. So it will become 1 upon cos theta minus 1. Sin theta cancels. Now 1 upon cos theta can be written as sec theta. So you will write down sec theta plus 1 sec theta minus 1. That is equal to RHS. Example, another one is under root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. You have to prove it as sec theta minus tan theta. We are moving with the LHS. Now when such type of question is there, you have already learned in the 9th standard the conjugate or the rationalizing. Here you will rationalize with 1 plus sin theta. That is, the sign should be opposite. 1 plus sin theta will become 1 minus sin theta, its conjugate. So 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta. We are rationalizing it with the opposite sign, that is 1 minus sin theta. Now this will become square root 1 minus 1 minus, that will become 1 minus sin theta the whole square upon a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus sin square theta. The square root sign 1 minus sin theta the whole square is equal to 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Now root and square will cancel, so it will become 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. 1 upon, we will just separate it, 1 upon cos theta plus minus sin theta upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta is sec theta minus sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. So sec theta minus tan theta, that is your RHS. So here we have LHS is equal to RHS. Now we come to the next example, that is 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. You have to prove it sec theta minus tan theta the whole square. Now in this type we will move with the RHS or you can even move with the LHS. If I am moving with the RHS, I will, we'll move with RHS. Sec theta minus tan theta the whole square. Sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta the whole square. Now the denominators are same, so cos theta square and this will become 1 minus sin theta the square. Cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. So this is 1 minus sin theta the whole square means 2 times you can write. 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. 2 times you can write. Upon cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. Now here you will apply a square minus b square. A minus b, a plus b. 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. So 1 minus sin theta cancels. So you will get as 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. That is same as your LHS. LHS we are. So you can write down this as LHS.